Social media has quickly become the most popular way to communicate, shop for new products, and so much more online. With almost all organizations, brands, companies, and even just people making the move onto social media, it's no surprise that real estate agents are finding a lot of success there as well. Welcome back to the Fairway Mid-Atlantic YouTube channel. My name is Michaela, and today we're talking about how you as a real estate agent can leverage social media to grow your business, your brand, and your community. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We post a new video every Friday all about the home buying process, the mortgage industry, the housing market, and so much more, and we don't want you to miss it. Our goal is to help you reach your goal of home ownership. So again, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video, and give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more content from us. So, with little time and effort, real estate agents can really tap into social media and leverage it as a tool to grow their business. Not only is it a great tool to simply reach your audience, but it is also a great place to build a community, build your personal brand, and generate actual business. You may not have thought of social media as a marketing tool in the past, but it should certainly be a part of your toolbox today. So, let's jump into some ways that real estate agents have started to utilize social media to do exactly this. First up, we have online showings. Now, in the past, especially before COVID-19 and 2020, real estate agents put a lot of time and effort into open houses and showings. You were going in person to show clients the homes that you were listing, help them find the perfect home for you, staging these homes, and showing them to as many clients as possible. It's a big way to generate business and to build personal relationships with your clients as they go through the home buying process. Today, with more and more people online and unable to be in person for these showings, you can actually start taking your showings online. And one way to do this is through TikTok or Instagram. TikTok is a quick and easy way to create and share short form videos. And the same is true of Instagram now with their Reels feature. As you may have seen in your own sphere of influence, many real estate agents have started to show these home and apartment tours on TikTok. This allows viewers to get a snapshot glimpse of the homes that are available through this real estate agent and allows them to reach out to prospective buyers that they may not even have a relationship with already. Besides just the home tours and walking through these listings, real estate agents can also use these short form videos to do things such as inspection fails, wealth management, quick real estate tips, and so much more. Again, short form video is growing and growing and growing and is probably one of the most valuable tools today that social media offers. It allows you to reach more and more people than just a static post, and it also is just entertaining. Short form video is great to get a really quick point across, but also get a little creative in what you're showing and keep people coming back for more. So if you're a real estate agent, start to think about how you can incorporate these sorts of videos into your marketing strategy, how you can reach more people, and what they might be interested in seeing. The second thing is building your personal brand. Today, you may hear all the time about how personal brand is so important and how everything is brandable and should be a brand. And while that might seem a little woo-woo, it is absolutely true, especially as a real estate agent and building your own business. A key feature of social media is how easy it is to share as little as a sentence to tens of thousands of people. And these little snapshots into your life, into your business, into your everyday, help people build a personal connection to you online. So as a real estate agent, you can use social media to, again, share tips and tricks for your clients when buying a home or looking for an agent, but it's also a great way to give them a look into your business, how you run your business, what your day-to-day looks like, and anything in between that can help them get to know you on a personal level without ever actually having to meet you in person. Social media also has bunches and bunches of direct messaging platforms. On Instagram, you can contact people through comments and DMs. The same is true of TikTok, and the same is true of Facebook. All of these places are spaces where you can actually interact with your audience, ask them questions, answer their questions, and even just have a conversation about a topic that piqued their interest. This doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be getting actual deals every single time that somebody reaches out to you, But again, it's a great way to build community, it's a great way to build trust, and if you're doing this consistently, you're reaching out to people, you're answering people's questions, it is more than likely that it is also a great way to generate these actual leads. So rather than just hopping on social media to post your listings or be a salesperson, really utilize it as a community builder. People want to trust the agents that they're working with, especially during the home buying process, which is one of the biggest purchases that anybody is ever going to go through. So building that trust online where people are going, meeting your clients where they are first, is a huge step in creating meaningful relationships in today's day and age. And then another thing that we've mentioned before in the last two examples is posting helpful advice. Now, the one thing that many people will say about the home buying process and why they are so hesitant to even consider it is that they are uneducated about what it actually looks like. And social media is a great place to be educational. You may have heard the phrase before, content, 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 all about the content. And that can mean a lot of different things, but one strategy that absolutely works 24/7, especially in the real estate community, is education. There can never be enough information about the home buying process, how to find your agent, how to get pre-approved, how to search for a home, where to search for a home, and so many more questions that people are searching for that you can answer. And while everybody else may be answering these questions in their own shape and form, only you can answer it the way that you can. You offer something unique as a real estate agent. What is it that sets you apart that is going to make your audience listen and trust you? To really get the most out of this, you want to build this into a much more built out strategy that includes other things instead of just education. So this could mean educational posts with tips or information about the home buying process, but it could also mean posting your listings or posting your client success stories, or even just posting a simple selfie of yourself during one of your work days. You want to include as much information as you can, not just about the industry or the process, but about you, about your business, and start to build a real brand for yourself that people can connect to. So to level up your business in 2022, social media is a non-negotiable. You should absolutely pick at least one platform that you are dedicated to this year and incorporate it into your marketing plan. Find a way to build your audience on social media so that people can find you, connect to you, and that you can start to build a community of people that trust you as a real estate agent and even generate real client leads. If you guys are interested in this topic and you want to learn more about ways that you can utilize social media to build your client base or market yourself, then please give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment down below with any questions that you may have that you want us to answer or do another video on. We would love to hear your feedback. Again, thank you so much for joining us this week. Again, we post new videos every Friday all about the home buying process, real estate industry, mortgage industry, and so much more. So thank you guys so much again, and we'll see you next week.